Make them like flambeau, gunshot in your door. And I sum up in a pole, been I watch him head back like a Netflix through the telescope. Toppy feel is a joke. Time upon the blood clot you like a goat. And push knife in a throat.
Me I do that video here as proof, because this video is my redemption. To show that murder music, like I stated from day one, was not going anywhere. Now, Trinidad, the man them take the dancehall music and them turn it in a thing when you murder music. But the biggest thing what bother me about Trinidad, and me did know that Trinidad was not, the murder music was not gonna go anywhere, because for some reason them Trini boy, like the one here you see right here, so the one here, 6 Dan, him are one of the most notorious motherfucker over there, and the boy here do a whole heap of fuckery. Now my intel tell me say, you see that boy here, him HIV positive, and me I tell the girls them, don't fuck him. You understand? Straight up. Don't fuck with that boy at 6 Dan. Cause you see that boy, him lead the youth them to lose them life. And the same thing go for the big fat boy when he in prison. Him there blood clot England and hideout. Them get it twisted in them head that where the man them a sing are the same thing them a do. Them figured say it's art, and people can express themselves in art. But the bigger thing is, the biggest problem with Trinidad and the music, it's because of the rich badness. And certain little country I try the same thing, like St. Lucia, but the man them over there so a hungry belly badness, cause them not have money like Trinidad, you understand? Where the man them doing at St. Lucia, the man them are thief. So them lower the Trinidadians them, and them lower the Jamaicans, and them lower other people for come there, and then them thief them. But the man them at Trinidad are straight rich badness. And what them do now, them get it twisted. Look at that picture. Y'all remember that picture? That's the Three Stooges from Trinidad. But everything that I spoke about came to pass. Look right there, it's Swanee, 6 Dan, and the so-called manager. Now, all of that crew they mash up, and mad people dead, and the Trinidad music has gone nowhere. Let me repeat. Mad people dead, mad people, man, woman, kids, them kill, the 6, the 7, beefing over music. Pumpy Boss, him get ambush in a St. Martin, them kill your killer, Prezi Runway, Swanee Runway, that boy there, that gay boy there, who is Miss Piggy, I don't know who me call Miss Piggy, Byron Messiah, the biggest flop reggae artist on the planet to blood clot. Him lucky one of him song did blow up, or else he would have fire gun at Trinidad or send kids. Now, everything, everything I spoke about came to pass. But let's talk about this guy. This boy right here, so them call him Castel. And look where the man I emulate. He might emulate being a sick, psychotic, murderous killer from the Batman movie and the Batman cartoon series. This guy I represent the Joker. So to me, this at the time, showed what Trinidad was about and showed what was about to happen. And I speak it out clearly that Trinidad music, it is murder music and it wasn't going anywhere. Now, there's another phenomena in Trinidad, because guess what? None of them artists here is doing any shows in Trinidad, and in Trinidad a lot of Jamaican reggae artists go to Trinidad and perform. And if you notice, the Jamaican reggae artists do not invite none of them boy on stage. They're not in any performance in Trinidad. And then like we saw the rest of the Caribbean them shut down from dealing with them. Really, it's a bad investment. So anybody who's investing in reggae promotion music and you bring a Trinidad artist, your money is gonna go up in flames. And this video right here, I did it to prove to the world that everything I was saying came to pass. Another thing I noticed about them little pussy hole Trinidad artists, none of them pay respect to any Jamaican artists. They don't pay respect to Bob Marley. Them don't pay respect to nobody. When them come on stage to perform, a pure fucking fuckery. Them start talk and sing. It's like the music I eat out the man them brain. Now, if I was a Trinidad artist, as soon as I look up on stage, I big up, send respect, shout out to Bob Marley and certain man, Vibes Cartel. Them have to know how to do them thing. Then take over the reggae and turn it in a murder music, and then you have another part of the Trinidad population who are straight soca through carnival and them not like reggae, and them that's it there, them glad say the Trinidad music gone, and me glad say it gone. Throughout this video you look on it, most of them man are dead or runway, and that's the real thing. Listen, my name is Countryman.